In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows Update error code 0x800705b4 on Windows 11. Method 1. Troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll it down. Click on Troubleshoot. Then, Other Troubleshooters. In Windows Update, click on Run and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 2. Clear Windows Update cache. Click in Search. Type Notepad. Select Open. Paste the following script. Then click on File and select Save As. Enter the file name like Clear Windows Update Cache. Then add bat extension and select Save. Right-click on bat file. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After running all command, restart your computer and try updating again. So that's how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x800705b4 on Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.